Don't push them or shove them. Be kind. Work with all of your classmates. You will work with annoying people in your life. They may jump on your head. They may not pay close attention. So your leaders are really important. I have a line leader in every team that I run. Now somebody said speed is important for sled dogs. It's definitely important. I can't win a race if I don't have the fastest leaders. I also can't win a race if I don't have leaders who listen. Because really fast leaders who don't listen get me to the wrong place really fast. So, number 1 was be safe. Number 2 is be kind.